Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to open a .rar file with white icon in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is at the bottom search bar, please type for Chrome. Once you have typed that, please proceed with the best match. Click on Open to continue and wait until you are being redirected to the Chrome itself. Once you are being redirected here at the Google Chrome browser, you just have to wait until a search bar would be available for us. Once it's here, please type for 7-zip download and click on enter the moment you have typed it and wait until you are being redirected to the result. We're here, please proceed with the first result which contains the link of this 7-zip application. Click on it to proceed. Wait until you are being redirected here, which just has this table where you can download the 7-zip file. Okay. So before proceeding on the loading such, you need to identify first the system type of your computer or laptop. So navigate here at the bottom search bar, type for info, and the moment you have typed that, wait until a result which is system information would appear, go with open to continue, and wait again until a new window which is this to appear here in your screen, and you need to look for system type here. Once the refreshing system information will be done, go with system type and there you can identify what system type do you have. So mostly laptop has x64 based PC. You might have similar mine with mine or you might have 32-bit or ARM64 or x86. So anyway, once you have identified it, proceed by selecting the download link according to your system type. So if you have x64-bit and x64 processor, then go with download the first link. And if you have 32-bit with those x86, go with the second. And just have to download depending on the system type, according to your system type, to avoid any complications or errors. Okay, in my case, I have already downloaded this application, but in your case, you have to click on download and wait until it will be downloaded. And once done, it's installed it in your Windows or computer. Once you have installed it, navigate to that .rar with white icon. In my case, I don't have such, but in your case, if you have, you need to select that, okay? And once you have selected it, please do a right click and go with show more options. Tap on it. And here you need to proceed with 7-zip, which what you have downloaded a while ago, and go with extract to, click on it. The moment you have the click on it, there you have just successfully opened that RAR file with white icon in your Windows, okay? So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.